friends, welcome to my channel Lizzie Teacher's Cooking World. Today I have come with a very tasty recipe, that is the recipe of rose cookies. In Kerala we call it achappam. It is made of rice. Now I will show you all the ingredients I use for making achappam. This achappam is a very tasty snack, and this can be made during Diwali to distribute to your friends and relatives. Now I will tell you all about the ingredients I have used. I have taken 1 kg of rice. I have soaked the rice in water for 4 hours and I have drained it. I have taken 1 coconut, of which I will be taking the milk of it. I have taken 19 to 20 shallots, 4 small spoons of till, a pinch of salt, 250 grams of sugar and 6 eggs. Now eggs, if you all are not eating eggs, you all can skip the eggs, but put little more of shallots, and you have to add coconut milk while grinding the rice. So while grinding the rice, we will take the coconut, we will grind it in coconut milk and eggs and the shallots, and I'll be adding a pinch of salt. Now first let me take the milk of these coconuts. This is 1 coconut. I'll be taking the concentrated milk of the coconut. Now I have taken the coconut milk. See, I have taken concentrated coconut milk and I will be using this for grinding the rice. Now I will take little rice into the jar. Not much, I will add little only. I will add little coconut milk. I will add little sugar and I will add two eggs. And I will be adding little shallots. These are small onions. These shallots give a special taste to the rose cookies. Now I will grind this. Now I have ground all the rice, 1 kg of rice. Now I will put little salt, and I will be adding 1 tablespoon of black till, and I will mix it well. I have seen the sweetness of it. You all can add more sugar if you all like it very sweet, but avoid adding too much of sugar, because when you add more sugar, it is likely to get burnt. So it's always better to add medium sugar. I have added 250 grams of sugar for 1 kg rice. You all, according to your taste, you all can taste and see. If you all feel it is less, you all can add sugar according to your taste, but avoid making it too sweet. Now I'll keep this for half an hour, and I'll be using this mold to make the rose cookies. I'll be dipping into the batter and I'll be making the rose cookies. Now we will go to the kitchen, and after half an hour we will make the rose cookies. Now this is the consistency which is needed. It should not be too thick and it should not be too thin. So we will wait for half an hour. Kadai on the gas. I'll on the gas and I will add coconut oil into the kadai and wait for it till it becomes hot. Now the oil has become hot and you have to keep the mold also in the oil so that it becomes hot. Only when the mold is hot, the batter will stick to this and you get nice cookies. Now let us see how the rose cookies are made. You don't have to dip the whole thing, only half of it has to be dipped. See, you have to put it in the oil and see how it comes out. And after you do, you have to keep the mold in the oil, because only if it is hot, then the batter will stick to the mold. And when it becomes cooked on one side, you will turn it to the other side. See, this side has become golden brown, so I turned it. Now what we do is, for the oil to drain, you will take a stick after it is done and put it on this, hold it, because the oil has to be drained. Now I will make another one. See, and my mold is very nice, so it doesn't get stuck to the mold. You get very nice rose cookies. Now this is the last rose cookies I am making. See, I have made all these rose cookies and I'll off the gas. Now you all saw how simple it is to make rose cookies at home. So for this Diwali, surely try this at home. Make rose cookies at home. The molds are available in most of the malls or in the shops or even in Amazon. So get a mold fast and try this recipe. If you all are not eating egg, don't worry, don't add egg, but add little more shallots and the rose cookies will be very crispy. I'll show you one, how crispy it is. See, very crispy and very yummy. Now, hope you all liked the video. If you all are seeing my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell button. We'll meet with some more exciting recipes. Until then, thank you.